Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexi and we are about less than a month away from DEFQon. We're screaming, crying, and throwing up because what? DEFQon? Soon? I can't believe it. Guys, if you don't know me, my name is Lexi. I work full-time. I am a raver. I own HDBNGR Ravewear, and I am going to Europe for the first time and going to experience a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and that is DEFQon1. And if you guys don't know, DEFQon1 is a festival that is in the Netherlands, and I'm really, really excited, and I'm so excited to unpack this app. I'm going for the first time with my boyfriend. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. And I finally got the app, so I'm going to properly talk to you guys about it. This video is probably going to be a little bit more freeform, not as edited, because I want you guys to know what I'm thinking. And I feel like it can be a little better because we can all collectively talk about what we think about the app. Yay! So let's dive into it. Let's get into the DEFQon app. Gonk! I'm about to dive in, really immerse myself in this. So we start off by the opening interface, and the cool thing about it is that as soon as you open it, it's the updated DEFQon logo, Sacred Oath, which is the theme. As we scroll down, there's a bunch of things, and I'm like overwhelmed. But I'm really excited. I love how like there are contests like the Red Race, and even like watching like episodes on YouTube. To this DEFQon1 app. Let's get into it. So I'm opening the app and I got it. Let me tell you, if I was camping at DEFQon and the fact that you could pre-order your drinks before even going, wow, the hoops, the hula hoops they make us. She's the map, she's the map. And I gotta say, I'm really, really excited that everything is so spaced out and everything is so just coordinated. It's like I don't really have to question like where's what on this map. And I love how every stage is indicated by color, so it just pops off the page really nicely. And also too, like it just gives you a good like view of like where everything is in comparison to where the stages are, so that's really good to know. And the cool thing also too about the DEFQon experience is that everything is funneled through your bracelet, so all your transactions have to be on that bracelet. I have to keep telling myself that. I remember one time at Izu, if you know, you know, we did sorry, we did I'm being too much. No, be it all, Asia, be it all. It's time to build my DEFQon list with you from me, baby. So we are gonna plan our list. The cool thing about DEFQon is that I am just looking forward to just stumbling across things, because I feel like sometimes we get in our heads about the hype and everything we want to see and everything we want to do, and I'm scared I'm gonna kind of get like choice paralysis if I do that, so I'm gonna go with the flow. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with the flow. So I'm looking at the map. She's the map, she's the map, she's the map, she's the map, she's the map. And I gotta say, I'm really, really excited that everything is so spaced out and everything is so just coordinated. It's like I don't really have to question like where's what on this map. And I love how every stage is indicated by color, so it just pops off the page really nicely. And also too, like it just gives you a good like view of like where everything is. And
I am super excited about the experiences because some of them you can book in advance or some of them are free, especially when you have the dedicated membership. So I'm super looking forward to that as well. There's so many hidden gems and so many buildable things about the DEFCon app, from building quests to building point redemption, all of those things. I'm so excited to be immersive in the culture in the next couple weeks, and I'm super excited to show you guys what I've been working on.
if you're wondering where my shirt is from, shameless plug, it's from Headbanger Ravewear. So I do have hardstyle merch, and like I am going to be repping this at DEFCon. I'm going to be repping a couple other styles at DEFCon with some surprise elements to it as well, which I'm really, really geeked out about. Also, special shout out to my homie that has been on me about doing videos. I really, really appreciate you keeping me accountable and being able to see and hear about your expertise with DEFCon. Literally, I am 13 days away from my trip, which means that it's gonna be lit. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're going to DEFCon, let me know. If you're going to be watching the live stream, also let me know. And yeah, my next video is going to be about fashion.